Hello, everyone. Today we have one of the instructors from the maximizing section of our new 6-part series of How to Make a Million. His name is Bruce Manciagli. He is the Director of the Social Innovation and Entrepreneurship here at FSU. So how are you doing today, Bruce?
I'm doing well. Thanks, Robert.
Awesome. All right. So very quickly, why don't you just tell me a little bit about the curriculum and if there's anything you want to emphasize on during this course?
Yeah, I'm really excited to facilitate this workshop, so thanks for having me. So just to provide a little bit of context, we've entered a period of time that some have termed convergence. And one of its characteristics is the blurring of traditional boundaries between the nonprofit world and the private sector, and between a focus on mission on the one hand and the focus on profit on the other. And so this doesn't mean that those boundaries have been eliminated, but we're increasingly seeing nonprofits employing the tools from the private sector to achieve greater financial sustainability, for example, and to scale their impact. And likewise, we're seeing an increasingly diverse array of for-profit businesses that are aiming to align social and environmental missions with their business models and to balance the creation of social environmental value with financial or economic value. So it's a really exciting time to see this hybrid approach taking shape. And of course, we have a lot of exciting examples of social enterprises, which elegantly and powerfully reflect this hybrid approach to addressing the problems that our communities face. So with that context and backdrop, in this workshop, we're going to examine this hybrid framework and look at several examples of how it takes shape in action. We'll then begin to apply this lens to the participants' own organizations, reflecting on some of the potential opportunities that might exist to evolve and grow their current models and impact. And finally, I'll share a number of resources for further study and next steps.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Bruce. And just really quick, what do you expect participants to come away with at the end of this course? Maybe something tangible, intangible, just anything maybe you want them to
Yeah, I want to make it as hands-on as possible. So, of course, there's only so much we can cover in a limited amount of time. So one of the main things I want participants to leave with is a new perspective on the possibilities, to get out of our habitual modes of thinking for a moment and to think more divergently. But then I also want participants to begin to refocus that thinking, more convergently on how they might actually develop a hybrid organization that supports and furthers their organization's missions, and to feel confident and excited about taking some initial next steps when they go back home. And so one of the things I'd like to ask participants to do is to bring their organization's vision and mission statements with them to the workshop.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time, Bruce. We really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, July 22nd at 9 a.m. And for everyone watching, make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Visit myane.org to register today. And thank you again, Bruce, for your time. Hope you have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thanks a lot, Robert.